Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the password of your Airbnb account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Airbnb app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Tap on Profile to access your account settings and personal information. This is where you'll find all the options related to managing your Airbnb account. Once you're in your profile, look for an option labeled Account Settings and tap on it. This section contains all the important settings for your account, including privacy, security, and personal details. It's the central hub for managing everything related to your Airbnb profile. Next, you'll see several menu options appear on your screen. Look for the one that says Login and Security and tap on it. This specific section is dedicated to managing your login credentials and security preferences, making it the right place to update your password and keep your account protected. Now, within the Login and Security menu, you'll notice different options related to your account access. Find the one labeled Password and you'll see an Update button right beside it. Go ahead and tap on Update to begin the password change process. This will open a new screen where you can enter your new credentials. On the next screen, you'll see a field where you need to input your new password. Take a moment to think of a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Type your new password carefully in this first field. A strong password helps keep your account secure and protects your personal information and booking history. After entering your new password, you'll see a second field below it. This field is asking you to input the password again to confirm it. This confirmation step ensures you didn't make any typos when creating your new password. Go ahead and type the exact same password you just entered. Make sure both entries match perfectly, as any mismatch will prevent the update from going through. Once you've entered your new password in both fields and double-check that they match, look for the button at the bottom of the screen that says Update Password. Tap on it to finalize the change. The app will process your request and save your new password to your account. You might see a brief confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. And that's it. Your Airbnb account password has been changed successfully. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.